Hi everybody. Well, it's almost May, and you know what that means, Mother's Day. So I'm here to offer you some solutions for a gift for your mom. And what mom wouldn't love the gift of soft, sultry, beautiful hair? So here's what I got for you. I've got the hydration one that I call the Jean Tierney, and that's because it leaves your hair soft and shiny and soft and manageable. Then I have the one I call the Marilyn Monroe, which is my fave, for fullness, for people that want to wear their hair full and curly. And then the third one I have is the Joan Crawford. Poor Joan Crawford. She had damaged hair and she needed help. And we have a restructuring product that's going to solve all their problems. So hey, which one are you going to pick? So check out my Mother's Day packages below in the chat bot. It'll reveal all the special products that are in each package. They're all under $100 and the results are priceless.